Hello everyone, hello Rajesh. So this is the Wave5 submission of PulseBet. So PulseBet, in which in this wave we have changed our branding a bit. So previously it was a decentralized gaming platform, but now it is a decentralized betting platform in which you can wager the Pulse token on various games to earn the reward with instant finality. So what is the advantage of using a PulseBet and not using a way of basically a Web2 betting system? So this is fair and verifiable. No central authority is controlling anything. No betting amounts. No logic. Every logic is on chain. It is the randomness is even on the on chain. So it is completely fair and verifiable. You're using the Pulse token natives, there is instant finality, and the most important thing, there is no platform fees because the user is directly connecting and interacting with the smart contract, so there is no middleman, hence no platform fees. So here you can see that previously there were some limited games, but now as you can see, we have implemented a ton of games by which you can play. There are some multiplayer games as well, the games in which you do not have to stake, but there are majority of the games are the games in which you have to bet your Pulse token, and based on your performance, you'll be getting the rewards. On the right hand side, you can see the app IDs of all the games, and these app IDs are already deployed and live and working on the Linera testnet on Wave. So I will just connect the MetaMask. So this is going to be the change log of this Wave. So the first and the foremost thing that we have implemented are seamless auto signer. So previously the judges pointed out that in this game, because every game is happening on chain, there is no Web2 connection. So for every mutation, there was a MetaMask pop-up, which can be annoying for the games that have like various background gameplay moves. So this is now handled by the auto signer implementation thanks to the judges. So now every game logic, every game move is controlled by the auto signer implementation. So now the user do not have to go again and again and basically confirm the MetaMask transactions, but there are still MetaMask pop-ups in this game. So for the security, money matters are strictly exploited. It's explicit. So any move that requires a staking, a betting, or claiming reward, there will always be a MetaMask pop-up for the user because we want the user to have the control of their money, of their tokens. So they will basically, after they give us the confirmation that you, yes, 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 this game can stake my money and then give me the reward. This is happening on chain and with the user permission, of course. But for the game moves, after the user has taken the money, the auto signer will take place, and so there is a clear separation between what mutations are with the auto signer and what mutations are with the owner of the chain, that is the user. We have added some new arcane games, that is the Pilanko, Kono, Wheel Spin, Dice, and Coin Toss. I'll be showing you these games in seconds. We've also tried to implement very a good design because, of course, the design should look premium because the users are going to stake their tokens on our platform, so it has to be very professional. Then also we have implemented an intelligent toast system, so you will get instant clear feedback about your wins, your losses, how much reward multiplier you are getting, etc., etc. So you can just read me and you can do remind me later, or you can got it, do not show it again. So I have done got it. So yep, this was the change log. So I will just try to connect the MetaMask and I will show you how this auto sign implementation actually works by playing some games like Mines. So just connect the wallet. So we'll be waiting for the MetaMask transaction. So this is the confirmation that is basically to authorize the auto signer for the instant play. So there is going to be a MetaMask pop-up. So we will wait for this. The pop-up should come between like 8 to 10 seconds. So we will wait for this. As you can see that MetaMask has pop up. So the instant that you click the confirm, this basically toast will disappear and you'll be able to see your Pulse token wallet and the system is connected and you are ready to play and start earning. So if I just go to the Mines game, in the Mines game previously there was no auto pay, so the game was not very fluid because every time you had to basically confirm on the MetaMask that okay, I'm okay with it, like open this chest or something. So I will just take 10 or basically 100. I will just initiate the sequence. It will ask for the MetaMask transaction. As I told you, anything that involves taking betting or getting your rewards back will be having a explicit MetaMask confirmation from the user. So I will just click the confirm and boom, the game has started. And now if I just do this, there will be no MetaMask pop-up, so the gameplay will be very simple. Oh, well, I am not very good at this. I will just initialize the sequence once again. I will just click on confirm. So I will just go here. Okay, so as you can see that there was no much MetaMask pop-up, so the game flow is very good compared to the previous games. This is what we have implemented with the auto signer. So there is no MetaMask pop-up. The game is very clean. It is very similar to what our Web2 basically does. So we are trying to provide the experience of the Web2, but with the advantages of the Web3 as well, thanks to the linear auto signer implementation. So I will just do this. Okay, so the round is over. So you get the point that how we are implementing the things. I will just show you how the different games that we have added in this comes. So I'll just do not show it, start playing. I will this and I will just drop the code. It will just ask me for the MetaMask pop-up. And after this, there will be no MetaMask pop-up. So this is the ball here. So from here to the other here. So this is a MetaMask mutation that is handled by the basically auto signer. So you do not have to basically deal with the annoying pop-ups of the MetaMask. So let us see what. Okay, so I got this multiplier. This is a very good. Yep, boom. This is very nice. If I go to another game like a wheel skin that we have added in this wave, I will just go and start playing uh, 10 and I'll just spin the wheel. It will ask for a wheel for the MetaMask transaction and I'll just click on confirm and the wheel will spin and we'll be able to see okay, so I got the 3x money. That's pretty good. Okay, so this you get the point how this works, which is very self-explanatory. So this is a dice game that you can play. So you can choose to roll over, roll under, and then you can roll a dice. So I'll just roll a dice. It will choose a number between 1 to 100 and based on the round is over. So I think, oh, I got the multiplier, etc., etc. Yep, this is good. I just switch to the Cano game. So Cano game, you can see all the rules. So you just have to select 10 numbers. So I will just, there's auto picker, that is basically you can pick any number you want, or you can pick manually also. So we'll just stake some money, place the bet. So I have placed the bet, and then the smart contract will choose 10 numbers. And if your number basically matches, so there was only one match. If there is a 5 match, you get the 0.25 0.5x. If there are more matches than 5, then you basically earn something. There's a coin toss also. I can just go to enhance and change, just toss the coin. It's very self-explanatory. I will just click on confirm, and let's see. Okay, so my result was failed, but my position was head, so I failed. Let's just try another time. Let's see what the result is this time. Okay, so it's going to be a loss again. Oh, it's going to be a loss. So you get the idea of how this works. So I will just show you how the multiplayer game looks like, because in the bingo game there is no staking involved. So every mutation is handled by the auto signer implementation. So the gameplay is very smooth. If I just show you, associate, so if I just go to the game and connect this. Let me show you this. Disconnect and disconnect. And value, I'll just create a room. So, yeah, it will ask. So everything is handled by the auto signer. That is why there is no basically the MetaMask pop-up, which is very game for a multiplayer basically game. I'll just go to OK, start. Okay, start playing. I'll just enter. So it is the MetaMask foundation for the auto signer. exe edge is my name. I'll just join the game. Okay, so we'll wait for the player. Okay, so the player should be here. So okay, so the player has E and the edge, and everything is happening on chain. You'll be able to see the room in here as well in just a minute. Okay, so wait for that. Okay. Just select number. Okay, let's select one. Let's just call the number. So everything is happening on chain. So there is like auto signer. Yep, I have joined the game as well. I'm just join it again. It is joined, but there are some problems. Just wait for some more time. Okay, so yeah, it's working now. So it has selected one. Okay, so it's now my turn. Okay, so I have selected 23. 23. Okay, 23 works. Oh, he has selected 23.